Razorblade TV. Entertainment in 3D.
Charge me, you 20 no. Charge you 20 no. Eh?
I get a 20. You are going to soft like soap, you know, but I have a 30 in my pocket.
Yeah. Me wash the bike for you. Me wash the bike for you, see it?
You did it?
Yeah, me wash the car.
Take your time,
Me wash the car, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Me wash it. See it?
Yeah, man, let's deal with it, man.
What? Get easy up too much, man. Easy up too much, man. Yo, no matter that. Yo.
Where are you water from?
Big man.
Not even a drip of this you now give.
Mike, give me some.
No.
We'll split it.
How much you give me?
$5.
$5.
One more.
Give me $15 out of that.
You can't get $15.
Give me 50. Might have to give me 16 to you know.
Alright, 15. Chew it. Pour. Yo, thief I carry enough thing.
Mate, you know, so now run blood pressure, man.
Where am I?
Right now, move. Come on.
Razor, you get lit.
Trouble.
Your video not done yet, you know. Hey, guess what going on now? More want to know say 4,000 subscribers out there.
What you what? Huh? No. No. Huh?
Shout out every Novo Pandora Squad for life. And you don't know who come from afar and where they right here, so. Fork in the road. I don't know that saying that.
But there's always the fork in the road.
Yeah, you know what I mean. Yo, more want to know say I appreciate you know, because it's been a journey with the 4K right now and still climbing. And for next year, it got a ton of people, trust me. You see me I say? I do more shout out like this. Can make a shout out to everybody who turn on them post notification. That's when you click the bell when you subscribe and know say yo you comment as soon as the video drop. When you don't know now gonna get a shout out right now. You see me I say? Big up to every new subscriber. And once a long time you subscribe, I not call you old subscriber. I call you Pandora Squad.
No, boy, you Pandora.
So once you're a new subscriber, people, thanks for subscribing. Here, I want to shout out to the winner last week where we asked a question which, how many layers does an onion have? Hollywood, you don't know you get that right? Yeah? So, people him have a YouTube channel, someone to check it out right now. The link are there in the description. And you don't know, support the man thing. Okay? And one thing, Novo, the people them who turn on them post notification, and the first one goes out to the Royal General. Big up yourself. Chaotic Barbie, big up yourself. King Rog, big up yourself, my general. Neraflex TV, Ringo Comedy, Daniel Black Comedy Central. There's an updated date for the post them, and that's Thursday and Sunday, people. I'm gonna schedule the time, but it's between 12 to 3. Is it? Probably, alright, Thursday, I can drop it 11 o'clock. Is it? So on the lookout for that. Thursday 11 o'clock, but I'm not concrete the time for Sunday yet. Is it? Someone to know some appreciate you know. And when I gotta get a little surprise, I'm gonna drop a next video after this done, that shout out here done. I'm make it on Instagram. So when I get that after I just watch a video, I'm just big on up. When I get a next video, oh gosh man, Novo.
Atul. Dong. Hey, bring me that.
Brother.
Stop it nice. Bring me this, bring me that.
If you rob me, no take my phone no.
Stop it nice.
You mean the rod?
Me say stop it nice.
Yeah, make it so complicated.
Bring me that.
What?
David Ford have 3 sons. Snap, crackers, and O. Eh? O. If
Me no know no David.
Big man, if you tell me this, your life safe. O. Snap, crackers, and O. Come no man.
Excelsior.
You hear that? Where am I selling school for? Give me a phone.
Novo.
Bro, them knocks.
Every target take.
Like, share, subscribe right now.